What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get a raccoon in Grow a Garden Roblox. So, alright, so you're looking for a way to get a raccoon pet here in Roblox. Well, there are a few things here that you may need to understand on how to get one. So first off, the only way to get a raccoon in-game is through something called a night egg. So that's the exclusive item that can be hatched into a raccoon. So in this case, you're not going to find it in regular eggs here or any other part of the game. So specifically, you need to get the night egg. Now, there are two main ways to get a night egg here. So first is by participating in the Lunar Glow event. When that event is active, you'll collect these special items called Moon Mutated Fruits. And as you collect enough of them, you'll earn night eggs as rewards. And it's a bit of a grind here, but it's a free method here that you can do it just by playing. Now, the second option here is for those who don't mind spending Roblox. There are premium night eggs packs that you can actually buy. It costs Robux here, but it comes with a higher price of getting raccoon compared to free eggs. So speaking of chances, by the way, if you want to purchase it or purchase one of the premium night eggs, you go to shop here and see if it's actually available. But then again, it depends on the current event right now. Now, for the chances here, so regular night eggs here only give you like 0.1% chance of hatching a raccoon, while premium night eggs here bump that up to like 1%. So yeah, so still rare here anyways, but premium definitely improves your odds here by like 100%. So instead of 0.1 chance here, you get 1% chance. So that's a big leap if you're going to ask me. But yeah, so once you fully hatch one raccoon, the good thing about it is the raccoon has the special ability to where every 15 minutes it actually steals crops from other players' gardens and duplicates them in your own. It's like having a sneaky little assistant here working for you nonstop, which in this case super helpful if you want to progress faster. But yeah, so in this case that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.